Good morning guys. Welcome to a new vlog. आज है एक अर्ली डे और अर्ली स्टार्ट. टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल डे. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक शूट के लिए करना पड़ता है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बॉडी वाटर शेड करते हैं ताकि लीन दिखें. तो अब आधे घंटे की कार्डियो के बाद HIIT कार्डियो वी विल डू सम मसल पंपिंग. और मसल पंपिंग करेंगे सिर्फ उन मसल्स की जो शूट में दिखेंगे. सो नॉट नीड टू वर्क ऑन लेग्स टुडे बट वील वर्क ऑन बाइसेप्स एंड चेस्ट. तो अब करेंगे फटाफट 3 सेट्स बाइसेप कर्ल के एंड देन चेस्ट फ्लाई एंड देन चेस्ट प्रेस. सो जॉइन मी ऑन दिस वर्कआउट.
Like donde hasta los sexy hoes. I blow more gas than a Texaco. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Stacking all the cheese and all the bread up on my plate. Steady looking fresh, well I'll be headed to the bank. And all my homies that I think it's time to celebrate. La la la, everybody wanna be like me. Cause I eat real good like I'm B.I.G. Hey, chopper gon' chop like it's Miyagi. Said if she wanna fuck I need a C.I.
भाई हेल्थी वेल्थ है. स्टेइंग हेल्दी इज़ वन ऑफ माई टॉप प्रायोरिटीज़. अभी थोड़ा सा बिकॉज ऑफ द सीजन इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता बट दैट इज़ जस्ट एन एक्सक्यूज़. टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. खाने के लिए मिलता है ना, सोने के लिए मिलता है, अतुल के साथ बातें करने के लिए मिलता है, तो वर्कआउट के लिए भी मिलेगा. सो आज के शूट के लिए हमने सबसे पहले किया बहुत सारा कार्डियो, थोड़ी बहुत मसल पंपिंग. एंड मसल पंपिंग के बाद मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा मेरा फेवरेट लुक. ब्लैक ब्लेजर, ब्रॉड शोल्डर्स. मैं आपको मिलाऊंगा अपने स्टाइलिस्ट से, अपने फोटोग्राफर से और पूरी टीम से. बहुत स्पेशल शूट है आज. सो कम फॉलो मी. यू डोंट माइंड इन द व्लॉग राइट? Yeah. ठीक है.
Okay.
So our first look is
So this with the
this
pink
one
shirt.
with the pink shirt.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I need the matching
What
pants.
color shoes? Shoes
Can be brown.
done.
Yeah. And but majorly your shorts would be like to here. Like.
Say hi to our viewers once.
Hi.
And tell them a little bit about yourself. Like very
Hi.
quickly.
I'm a
2 lines.
stylist. We're styling Shreya and Dhruv today for their maternity shoot. Have a baby girl on the way. So excited.
We'll link her bio also. If anybody needs any styling, trust me. I really don't have to think anything. She does it all. We are doing. Are you excited?
Very excited for this
Then let's get started.
Let's get started.
Yeah, we'll tell you. It's hardly a color.
Yeah.
It should go.
Okay, now. I'll do this. I'm so sorry.
Late. Always late.
chanson.
Black. Anything you guys say.
Beige, I would suggest.
ठीक है, देख
That's
लेते
the
हैं. बट जो भी करेंगे लेट्स डू इट एट द एंड सो दैट वो स्पॉइल भी होगा, जाने आने में भी टाइम लगेगा. लेट्स डू द
second
फ्रेश
look
शॉट्स एंड देन
design.
लास्ट में कर सेकंड के लास्ट में कर लेंगे.
हाँ.
उसके बाद विल मूव इट.
Yeah.
इतने सारे ब्रशेस मैंने आर्ट क्लास में भी नहीं देखे अपने.
Then I will quickly use a big.
Like this.
Yeah. वो तो face के है.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for over 12 years now.
12 years now. Wow.
Yeah.
Same time. I've also been working 12
Huh.
years. We started together then.
Yes.
In 2012 it means.
Yes.
How did you get into this?
So like basically I used to work like in BPO earlier.
Acha, you used to take those calls?
Yeah.
Keep us on hold all the time?
Yes. So, you know, my family were like really against. I used to work for a graveyard shoot, like timings and all.
Ah, late night.
So they were like कि नहीं अगर तुमको जॉब करना है तो you have to do like corporate like 9 o'clock से जो भी like 6 o'clock तक, or else you have to come back to Darjeeling.
Actually, tell me one thing. A lot of our viewers are like really young boys and girls straight out of college. Do you think like would you recommend them like as a career option, makeup artist? What do you have to say about
Of
that?
course, it's a great career. Like in today's date, तो like you know, makeup industry is something that you know like
Yeah.
brides first सबसे पहले पंडित से you know पंडित को phone करने से पहले they call makeup artist.
Oh yeah.
Whether you know makeup artist is available or not. So that way, so I think like over the time, they have given like a lot of abhi
Yeah.
priority to.
It's also AI safe.
Yes.
Achha, tell me one thing. Like I really have this question. For women, the fashion, this makeup industry is so big. What about men? I mean, we have the same skin, right?
I think God has blessed men's like with better skin, better hair. I think so. Like, what do you have to say?
I agree to that completely. They wash their face with like a body wash and they're okay to go and party anywhere they want. And we're here looking for a concealer, foundation, and so many other things.
भाई शादी से पहले I used to only use like a soap. That's it. Then she came in. My bills went up. My skin didn't get any better though. अतुल किस दिन शूज शॉपिंग चलेंगे साथ में? मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कौन से शूज लेने चाहिए. यही पहन लेते हैं ना ब्राउन. ठीक है? हाँ ये अच्छे हैं सर. I think these are nice. Italian. इसके बाद let's rush to the office. नवरात्रि के लिए we have to do a lot of new things. I have to apply some of my cheat codes. नहीं मतलब shoots और get ready तो की है. But putting everything online and then making these vlogs, अगर subscribers और likes नहीं आए तो हम discontinue कर देंगे और अगर आ गए तो continue करेंगे. Fair है ना? I've always been a very hands-on with kids kind of a person. So my younger sister had a baby when I was, I think, just 21, 22.
Oh.
And I bonded with him so well. I don't think there's anybody else who's closer to me than that kid.
Oh.
Yeah. But having one of my own now, I'm super excited.
You must be in cloud 9 to meet him.
I'm in cloud 9 and I have like huge plans for her already because we know it's a her. And I'm super excited. You know, Melda, in India, this boy and a girl thing is a big thing. But for me, it makes no difference.
Yeah.
In fact, one of my, you remember Ajna, right? So Ajna just had a baby boy after a baby girl. And she told me that, a girl for a father is like the best thing. They are the most loving. Do you have kids of your own?
I have.
How many?
I have a son.
Yeah? How old is he?
He's like almost 4 now.
Yeah.
So I would love to have a daughter also.
Oh,
In
you
the future.
definitely should. Is he naughty?
Yes.
Is he
very-
playful?
He's very naughty right now. He has started going to school, but he really don't want to go to school.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल मन नहीं है school जाने का.
So how do you convince him?
We
Or-
have to like. I think now he has, that he has gotten to know that I have no other options. I have to wake up. He doesn't sleep in the night.
Oh.
So
Does he have like a set schedule? He does not? होना नहीं चाहिए वैसे?
we couldn't
Couldn't
know
get
it.
to it.
Because all the all kids are like different, so people do say कि आप इसका routine बना लो, but we have to live with it, like according to baby also उसको मन ही नहीं है उस time सोना जितना भी
Yeah.
करो.
But don't you think if you make them wake up for any reason and then make them play in the park maybe, or give them some time in the morning, then they'll automatically tire and sleep?
Yes, but he doesn't get tired easily. He doesn't have like sleep only.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ. I'm really afraid of one thing. That sometimes, after you cross 30, your energy levels really go down.
Yeah,
Do you think with kids you really have to be
of course.
Very,
You
very-
always have to be on toes.
On toes?
Yeah.
Damn, that is gonna be the biggest challenge. So Milda, बहुत सारे boys and men पूछते रहते हैं, ज्वेलरी के लिए तो बहुत पूछते हैं. For makeup, do you do classes?
Yes.
Have you ever done like one specifically for men?
No.
Why not?
See, men के लिए I think आपको उतना मतलब intense जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You
Right.
just have to work on your, how to do your under eyes.
Correct.
अगर आप,
Yeah.
just जैसे like when I'm.
Acha, tell me one thing. Why don't you do like a crash course video?
Yes, I can.
You can, no? You should. Because, the more people get to know and learn.
Boys को what I suggest is आप you can just keep a corrector and one concealer for your own skin.
What's a corrector?
Corrector is something that will neutralizes your discolorations. Like जैसे कि under eyes में थोड़ा बहुत होते हैं. बस वही होते हैं लड़के का मोस्टली लाइक एंड देन फिर उसके बाद जस्ट उसको वंस योर करेक्टर विल न्यूट्रलाइज योर यू नो कलर लाइक जो भी डार्क सर्कल्स है
कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा नथिंग
सो
मेरे को कार्स इंजन्स एंड आई लव दोस थिंग्स बट व्हेन इट सो श्रेया पिक्स अप जनरली हम कहीं भी जाते हैं आई जस्ट टेल हर कि यार जस्ट पिक अप अ क्रीम फॉर मी बिकॉज यू नो आई मेक अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस फॉर माय स्टोर फॉर द ज्वेलरी बिजनेस एंड थोड़ा सा जस्ट टू यू नो
just to look presentable for
exactly
camera.
just to grooming, that's it, basic
Yeah.
grooming. वैसे honestly how do people do it regularly? I have huge respect for all the vloggers, bloggers, artists and especially you know these actors to do this every day back to back, shoot after shoot, you know this visit after visit must be taxing.
Look,
Wife happy, happy wife, happy life. I don't know what they have in mind.
सब अब क्या करता है ऐसी पर्सनैलिटी के लिए